In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email signature to your Gmail account. Okay, so you can send emails professionally with your signature at the end of it. So to add, let's say Gmail over here, and I can come over to the settings up here. You can come to see all settings, then you go all the way down. You will see signature from here. So I have an existing one, which is this one. But if you want to add another one, you can just click on this, and then you'll be able to name the signature. Let's name it Academy Signature. For example, if I want to use it on my academic platform, so now you can put in the details that you want. Okay, so you can change, write everything. And then you can put in any link that you're interested in putting, and then you can as well change, select, and have all these control features in terms of text. You can add images as well. You can add your picture if you want to add your picture, and so on. You can centralize, add bullet points, and so on, add links, very easily change coloration and all of this. Now you have the option to come down here and select the default signature. At this moment, once you've added that one, you can see for new emails, you can select which one. You can see it's Academy Signature. And for reply as well, you can select which one you want to use. So whenever you are up here to type an email, you'll be able to see this is the email. This is a default one that it is using. But if you want to change it, you can change it as well to make it the Academy one. So whenever you want to send another email, it is going to take in that. Okay. So this is how to add an email signature to your own email, to Gmail for possible sending. Whenever you want to send an email and you want to vary the signature, you can always come down here, click on Insert Signature, and you can select between the Epic Mentorship and Epic Digital Academy without you going back to the settings. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.